Our Slow Down the Dial campaign against rising energy costs has saved Lehigh Valley residents hundreds off their bills so far. And now is the time to save even more. A thorough fine-tuning of your central air system before the hottest days are here will definitely save you money. And doing maintenance now will free up your summer for fun and reduce your chance of facing more costly repair bills during peak season. For more tips on conserving energy in your home, go to slowdownthedial.com or give us a call. We'll be right there. We're Burkholders.